I'm just going to call it Aukat score. Let's put that score here, and that is an important score to have. It is absolutely important. I think today, one of the absolute important thing is to analyze your mock test and whether you have completed syllabus or not. First of all, syllabus is pretty vague, right? I don't think there is a syllabus that I need to complete for verbal ability and reading comprehension, or for that matter, DILR. I need to have skills. I don't think there are 10 chapters that will complete syllabus over. Some semblance of syllabus happens with respect to the QA. That is where some semblance of syllabus happens. So we have got some sense of syllabus. It is absolutely important that we do analysis. My understanding of how do I move from this phase to this phase, what are the skills that I need, my direction is absolutely going to be given by my mock. And there are certain specific activity that you must take post the mock. This is going to be crucial for everyone, right? And this is important for your learning. Okay, so during the test, you've got some questions correct, some questions wrong, some questions incorrect. So you've got certain score. That score is kind of your test score, right? But post the test, I need to understand what is the issue here and what was the issue here. And the only way that can happen, I'm using the word only way. I'm using the word only. The reason why I'm using the word only, that the only way that it can happen is I understand, I redo the questions once again. I think this is something that many of us don't do. Right? When I say redo, I think that we jump into explanation. I'm sure that you guys are part of groups, of some Telegram groups or WhatsApp group. The first thing that you want to do is to just post it on the group and ask people, please tell me how to solve this. No, that is the last thing that you do. Explanations, solutions are the last thing. I have to redo every single question. I have to redo every single questions, and then what might happen is that there are certain questions that you kind of got correct now, certain question is still wrong, certain questions that you missed you've got correct, and certain questions you still don't know, right? So you have we have, this is well left, good decision. Bad that I don't have any knowledge, but good that I made good decision. These are the missed opportunity that you have. Missed opportunity. This is unforced error. You didn't know it, yet you went it. Okay, I think this would be unforced error. I think nobody forced it. Okay, this will be forced error. Okay, so now when I look at this one plus this score plus this score, that is a new score. So you can call it anything. I'm just going to call it Aukat score. Let's put that score here, and that is an important score to have. So it is important. You have to understand from here. You've got a test score, you've got a target score, and you have an Aukat score. And this is important. This particular gap is important, and this requires from the Aukat score, the target score means I need to study more. But even after sort of preparing for it, and for this to this score, it is not about execution. I'm not taking my test really well, and execution, yeah, right. So whether please guide about sectional cutoff, Jack. I'll do that at the end if that is okay. And how many of you do this? I think that we are back into this one. How many of you do this analysis and know your score? You have got an Excel sheet. You actually put stuff like this together. You know your Aukat score. You know your score from every test, not your test score, but also the score that you could have got, and thereby knowing exactly what you do. Give me a shout, me, if you do this. No, if I don't do this. And it's going to take some time while I start seeing it, but I really want to encourage you guys to do this, and therefore please understand this is going to take time. Should we redo this in 40 minutes, or just, you don't have to look at the time, Ritik, just do it once again. And I'm sure that relook at all the questions. Don't put any time. Okay, so Ritik does it, and especially what happens is, let's assume, for example, I'm guessing that you'll probably take 30 mocks towards the end, right? 30 mocks overall. Aman does it, Jack, you have to start doing it. Okay, 30 mocks. Each of the mocks, let's assume that four sets of DILR. I have to good it. I'll get 120 sets. Doing this once again makes sense. So you're looking at, I do this every time, takes a complete day for such deep analysis. Yes, Sabrina, it's going to start taking the time, because what is currently happening, the reason why it's going to take time is that let's look at this box here, right? Let's look at this box here. So which is going to do three things I got correct, things I did not get correct, and this one. So if let's say there are many items in these things in the beginning, it's going to take a lot of time, but over time I'm hoping that it'll improve and this box keep getting down, and hopefully we'll reach a stage which is like a 50%. That's a 99 percentile score, right? We might be currently 33%, and you'll probably get in this stage. So and then this is incorrect and correct. So it's going to take lesser time, and hopefully we'll reach a stage where you get 60% of the score, somewhere here, 60% of the score. And then this will probably be this will be like this. I have a mistake or something will happen. So over time, it's going to reduce the time. But if I have to move from here to, it doesn't matter. I'm also hearing something. I said I wanted to see. I forgot. I missed someone. Someone was saying that I do the analysis, but feels bad after seeing the Aukat score. Why you have to feel bad, right? Please understand. Please understand the purpose of the test, purpose of the mock test. The purpose of the mock test, ladies and gentlemen, is mock test is not going to give admission to any college. Mock test is not going to give admission to any college. It is a learning tool. We are duty bound. Say these are bloody duty. Hey, if you go to your job, for those who are working, go to your job. Can you choose? Your boss saying do this? No, I don't like it, sir. I always fail in this, so I'm not going to do. Can you do this? Imagine that there's a boss over you who's you, and then you do this activity. But one other thing that you want to do is in your sort of your preparation, no, you wear two caps, two roles that you have to play, and this is going to be yours. So one as a role as a test taker, and one as a role of a mentor. Hannah, listen to this. This is wonderful. One is a sort of mentor. During your analysis session, you take a role of a mentor. Like you're sitting there and teaching this boy, or let's say Rahul is teaching Rahul, Shivam is teaching Shivam, Nandini is teaching Nandini, Aman is teaching Aman, Rahul is teaching Rahul, or Jack is teaching Jack, saying that, okay, beta Jack, sit here. This is what is it. Don't worry. This is the issue. Put the mentor hat. Okay. So you are someone. I don't know how many of you have this, know about self-taught people. Self-taught. Either people use the word self-study. I'm not, let's not use the word self-study. Let's use the word self-taught. I'm not studying. I'm teaching myself. Let's use that word. Let's not use the word I'm self-studying. Let's use the word I'm self-teaching. So every single day, when I'm not studying today, I'm teaching myself. Sometimes I'm teaching myself. Okay, so it's about developing our skills. So do this, for example, right? Do this absolutely.